Hello children. Today we are going to start a new chapter of social science, that is the chapter 7, the land of snow, page number 45. The land of snow, page number 45. This is the new chapter. Okay, so today we are learning about the snow, the land of snow. Normally we hear about the snow. What things on your mind? Snow, something it is related with the Arctic area or nearby that Antarctic and Arctic area. So here we are going to study about that one particular region. Okay, that region is known as polar region, or it's known as the Arctic region. Okay, so the polar region, the same, it's another name that's known as the Arctic region. Okay, this region, polar region, is nearly located in the North Pole. We know that where is North Pole? So that North Pole is the this is the shape of an arc. Here is always North Pole and this is the South Pole. So this around this area is the polar region or the Arctic region. Polar name is otherwise known as the Arctic region. Okay, and this almost this area is surrounded by the continents Asia. Then normally the European countries are there. Then North America is also there. That we can see from here. This is the Arctic area. Okay, this is the Arctic area. Then this is the Arctic area. This is the Arctic area, and here is the United States of America, and Canada is here, and somewhat Russia. Then northern countries, northern side of the continent is also there. Then Asia, all located near this northern area, that is this north, nearby the North Pole. So this is the polar region. Clear? So polar regions, meaning the regions around the poles, are called the polar region. Okay, the regions around the pole, that is, this is the regions around the pole. So these regions are known as the polar region or Arctic region. We are going to study today about a particular island in a polar region, that is known as the Greenland. So this area is known as Greenland. Okay, this is the Greenland. This is a part, it's a largest island. It is the largest island in the world, that is the Greenland. Okay, so the Greenland is the largest island and it is located in the polar region, or otherwise it is known as the Arctic region. Okay, polar region have another name, that is the Arctic region. Understood, children? So polar region, it's known as Arctic region. In the polar region, we are going to study a particular island, that is Greenland, and Greenland is located in the North Pole. And the North Pole is surrounded by Asia, Europe and North American continents. Clear, children? Now we are going to study about detail about what is the life, what is the land area there, how any vegetation is there, climate, wildlife, which type of people are living. Like we already studied a chapter in land of dense forest, the same we are going to study, that is dense forest area, this is snowy area, that is the different. Okay, so this is polar region. Now the next one we are going to study about where is located, actually where it is the, which all surrounded by this Greenland. So Greenland is mainly surrounded by the Canada is also there, and this area is the northern area of northern countries. North America is also there. So this is the northern America, North America, and here is the Canada. Almost this area is about the Canada, and this is Canada and the Greenland. So this area is the Greenland, and the Greenland is being separated by Baffin Bay and Davis Strait. Baffin Bay and Davis Strait. That is important one, Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait. Okay, the Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait is separated the Greenland from Canada. So this area is almost the Canada. So Canada is being separated from Greenland by this Baffin Bay and Davis Strait. Bay meaning like we have Bay of Bengal, like another name is there, Baffin Bay. Davis Strait, it's a narrow passage. Strait meaning narrow passage for navigation, narrow passage for going. Ships, normally big ships will not go, the small ships are going through this strait. So this is Davis Strait and Baffin Bay. Understood, children? And this Greenland is a part of the Denmark. This Greenland is a part of which country? The Denmark. Greenland is a part of the Denmark. Understood, children? And this is about the location. So Greenland is almost located towards the, here is the North America. This side is the North America. And here this side is almost the Canada. And the Canada and Greenland is being separated from Baffin Bay and Davis Strait. And the Greenland is a part of the Denmark. Okay, Greenland is a part of the Denmark. Understood, children? So this is about the location. Now here in Greenland, mainly the original people who are living in that area, they were known as Inuits. That people are known as Inuits. Okay, the original inhabitants of the Arctic area, original inhabitants of the Greenland known as Inuits, and they are calling their country as, that is, we are calling it as Greenland, but they are calling it as Kalalit Nunaat. Kalalit Nunaat. Kalalit Nunaat, which means the land of people. So Inuits, they are calling their land as Kalalit Nunaat, which means the land of people. Understood, children? So this is about the location and about the Greenland. Now we are going to study how the areas are there. Okay, the Greenland is almost have an area about 21.5. Okay, 21.5, that is their area. It is the area, that lakh square kilometer, it is given 21.5 lakh square kilometer. Then the island always look white color. You can look at here, the island always look white color. This is the look like the white, like milk it is bean. So this is the important feature of this island is that the island always look white color, and mainly in the island icebergs can be seen. This is the iceberg. This iceberg is a large piece of ice that are moving, that are flowing, they are not getting any stagnant pace. It is moving. The large ice sheets are moving from one place to another. But suppose we think that only this much area only we can see, but underwater again another area is also be there, like a mountain it is there. Okay, like a mountain it will be there. But normally the people who are passing, like normally the waterways are used by the sailors, they will not understand that it is the remaining portion is under the water. So maybe ships or boats are going there and they will hit here and they drown. Like one accident happened to the luxurious ship, it's known as Titanic. Titanic also drowned by because of a particular one iceberg. Clear? So these icebergs are mostly seen in this Greenland. Understood? It's a icebergs meaning it's a huge pieces of the ice, huge piece of ice which is flowing away from one place to another. But it flowing meaning the remain only little portion we can see and above the water. All the remaining portions are maybe under. Okay, that we are not able to see. So this is about the icebergs, and the island is always looks white color, and this is about the area. Now We are moving to the next section, that is the climate. How the climate is there. The climate is normally it is situated in the Arctic area. So they are experiencing, Greenland experiencing Arctic type of climate. Then second one, winters are very long and it is very cold. Winters are very long, at the same time very cold area, very cold. And sun does not rise for several weeks. The sun is not able to see because of heavy wind is there. And summer is very short and cool. Summer is also cold is there, but it is very short. Winters are there, they are very long and cold, but the summer is also there, it is short and cool. And in coastal area, weather is bright and sunny. Okay, in the coastal areas, the weather is very bright and also the sunny area. And in coastal areas only the people are living. In the coastal areas only the people, the settlement people are living in the coastal area, because there they are facing the weather is bright and also sunny. Even cold is there, they feel sunny and very bright situation for living. So this is about the climate. Climate is Arctic type, winters are long and cold, sun does not rise and summer is short and cold. Then coastal area is very bright and sunny for living. Understood, children? So this is about the climate. Now next one is about the vegetation. What type of plants and trees are growing there? Normally only very small bushes or greens or plants are growing there. Big trees we can't see in Greenland. The germination of seed and plants are grow in summer season only. Only in summer season. The summer season we know that very short and it's very cool. So in summer season only the seeds and plants are grow. The seeds and plants are grow in summer season only. And mosses, which are the plants they are growing? They are mosses, lichens, grasses and bushes. They are only growing. Which are mosses, lichen, grasses and bushes are only grow in this area. Then some flowers are also blooming spring season. Spring season is also there, but little time only. So some flowers are growing there. And there is no forest and no crops. No forest and no crops. So this is about the vegetation, and this is the national flower. Okay, this flower is known as the national flower of Greenland. This is the national flower. Okay, and these are the plants or main types of Greenland plants. So you can see variety of plants are there, but all are very low. That is very small types of shrubs or like small plants. So these are the important flowers and some shrubs. These are the shrubs that are growing in the Greenland. Now the next one is the wildlife. Wildlife is also animals with thick furry coats are able to stand in this area. Animals which are having very thick and furry coat. Those animals which are having furry coats and also thick furry coats, and those which can stand extreme climate, extreme cold only can survive in this area. So animals which are having thick furry coats and those animals which can stand extreme cold, they only survive in this area. And sometimes the wolf-like dogs, huskies, some dogs, it's known as husky. That dog is used for hunting and also for pulling the hedges, and this is the huskies. Okay, this is the huskies. These huskies are used for hunting and for pulling sledge. This man is pulling the sledge, he is in the sledge and is pulled by these dogs like huskies. And look at this polar bear, we can see birds, and this is also husky. Whales, we can see some the dolphins. Sometimes we can see the like penguins, not dolphins. Penguins are also we can see in this area. So this is about the wildlife. Okay, children. Now, next one, this is about the chapter. Take your textbook, page number 45, and do the get set. First thing, do the get set. First line itself, underline the first line. The regions around the poles are called polar regions. Underline. And the Greenland. The first line of Greenland, the world's largest island, is situated near the North Pole. That also underline. The last line, original inhabitants of Greenland are Inuits. So these 2 points in the two sentences, first and last sentence in the Greenland, underline. Then next one, turn the page. Kalalit Nunat and land of people. Kalalit Nunat and land of people, underline. Then in the location paragraph, the last line. The Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate Greenland from the northern island of Canada, and Greenland is a part of Denmark. Do that. Then iceberg is there. This last paragraph keep in bracket. Last paragraph keep in bracket. Then that is icebergs. It's given there. That also keep in bracket only. Then now take the climate, Arctic type of climate. First sentence, second sentence. Till the weather is summer is short and cold. Till there summer is short and cold. Till there you have to keep in bracket. Summer is short and cold. Till there, from the beginning to till this sentence, keep in bracket. Now next one is vegetation full paragraph. Vegetation full paragraph. Vegetation full paragraph, keep in bracket. Next one, wildlife full paragraph, bracket only, don't go for underlining. Okay, wildlife. Then read the chapter. Okay, children, read the chapter 3 times. Thank you, children.